This is the recent TLV Mazda RX-7 in petrol car version. So far there are 7 Mazda RX-7 for TLV. I believe that sort of concludes the series. I will do a walkthrough video later on, but today let's focus on this RX-7 and a couple of my favorite petrol cars. This RX-7 is one of my most favorite. It's an awesome casting. It comes pre-installed with a wind deflector. Unlike other casting which you have to install yourself and that's a hassle, this petrol car originated from Gunma Prefectural Police. On a side note, there is a Mazda RX-8 petrol car that is on display at the Japan Police Museum in Ginza that looks fantastic. The downside is you have to install the side mirror and the antenna by yourself, which is really a hassle. Unlike the initial model, the rear light is painted, which is really a disappointment for TLV. But otherwise, this is still a decent casting that will add perfectly into your TLV police collection. How about comparing the RX-7 with the Skyline 25 GT Turbo? This is one of my favorite 4-door Nissan Skyline casting. The good news is it's already come pre-installed with side mirror, which is awesome. But the downside is you have to install the wind deflector and the spoiler by yourself, which is also very troublesome. I really don't understand why TLV needs to have this installation process, which may ruin the overall presentation of this casting. Next, let's compare the RX-7 with the Fairlady 260Z. I have this casting in my collection for years, and I really love its wheel set. Also very impressed with the silver trimmings as well around the casting. Although the rear light is painted, it still looks very realistic and is a true representation of the Japanese nostalgic car. Up next is my favorite Toyota Supra petrol cars. The Toyota Supra series is among my most favorite, and just like the RX-7, they finish off the Supra series with a petrol car. Can't really find any flaws on this casting. It's very close to perfection, and it looks hyper realistic, which I think is a great job done by TLV. And lastly, my favorite 60th anniversary Skyline petrol car. This is one of my most favorite 4-door Skyline in petrol car version. It already comes with side mirror except for the wind deflector and antenna, which you have to install yourself. And I really like the rear as well as the overall stance of this casting, which make this a very impressive petrol car. Which is your favorite TLV petrol car? I would love to hear your comments below. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.